We face a climate emergency and especially a methane emergency. We need to strike a global agreement about a shift to a plant-based food system this year at COP26. We're on track to hit 1.5 centigrade warming around 2030 and 2 centigrade warming around 2040. This would lead to catastrophic climate impacts such as increased heat waves, more intense hurricanes, wildfires, droughts, food shortages, violent weather patterns, sea level rise, climate refugees, coral bleachings, and the ongoing mass extinction of thousands, tens of thousands, millions of species. We need to address all three greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. Our biggest chance of limiting temperature rises in the next 25 years is cutting methane. The Paris Agreement is completely silent on animal agriculture, but a third of methane emissions come from animal agriculture. We can all make a difference and fight climate change simply with diet change. So please join me and endorse and support the Plant-Based Treaty. Thank you very much.